So we're in Fresno. Nope, we're in Clovis, California. Anyways, got an existing Rinnai water heater. I believe the home is built. Remember when the home was built? It's relatively new. I'm gonna say by the trees in the neighborhood with between 5 and 10 years old. I think it's a benchmark for a woodside home. Anyways, what we got going on here is we're gonna flush this 3 gallons distilled white vinegar. We use Superior pump 1/3 horse, and then just some washer hoses, red and blue. We don't need to get red and blue, but you know, it helps in different things up. Isolation kit was installed by the original plumber. We don't like the webstone valves that are in here. The reason being, when you're in this recessed wall box, the webstone has the port for the flushing coming out the front and the port for the relief valve coming out the side. So normally this would be pointing straight to the front, but you can see it wouldn't fit in the box. And so we like to use either a Noritz or a Jomar. Anybody else that either has the relief valve coming out of a 45 or directly below. And so it just makes for a cleaner installation in this recessed box. We do like the webstone product, but more if it's just hanging on an exterior wall, hanging on an interior wall, they fit a lot better. Anyway, so we're flushing, utilizing those valves. So what you got right now, you can see on the sides, we got a blue valve that controls cold water. And then over here, you can't see it, kind of back around the side, back in there, hot valve. So both of those off. And then here's where we flush it. Hot and cold right there. So 3 gallons of distilled white vinegar for 45 minutes. We're gonna let this run. And then we'll take a look at the vinegar when we're done to see, you know, what kind of debris is in there, what kind of shape it's in. These guys right here, Rinnai claims 20 years of service, as long as you keep these clean. So once a year you want to come out here and do this. We do ours every 6 months. We've got the brand new Rinnai, I think it's the 160R, could be another model, I can't remember. It's the Sensei. So it's the newest product that Rinnai makes. And you know, we didn't pick it out. That would be my first choice if we did install a Rinnai, but the builder put that in for us, and so that's super nice. Great product. This is the RL75, so it's the luxury. This is middle of the road water heater. They have the value series, which would be the V, and then L for luxury, and then I think the P for premium. Can't remember, but so this is middle of the road. So it's a great water heater, and it is a non-condensing unit. So this should, like I say, this should last you. Keep it clean. Flush it out, clean out that screen on the cold side, see if we can get to it. Yep, back up in there. Keep that filter clean, and you should be good. Anyways, it's all hard piped in here. Good job on that. Hard piping up to the shutoff valves. Most plumbing companies don't put these in the recessed wall box. Reason, well, number one, it costs money. You know, that's $75 to $100 for a valve kit. So you know, you're doing tract homes, you're going to put that money back in your pocket. Number two, it's hard to get in there. You can see it's pretty tight getting things together, but they got it in there. Nice job for the original contractor. Probably Fresno Plumbing and Heating, I want to say, just because they get crazy with stuff. They put things in when they don't have to. I used to work with them years ago, and so great plumbing company, so they did a good job. So anyways, that's what we're doing here. Outside of that, this service call is done.